Good afternoon, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 3, P block element 2, phosphorus trichloride and also phosphorus pentachloride. Here, how is phosphorus trichloride prepared and preparation, properties and uses. Next, about phosphorus pentachloride, preparation, properties and uses. Next, one more topic we have to discuss. Structure of oxides and oxo acids of phosphorus, that is P2O3, otherwise we can be say P4O6, and also one more structure P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide structure. We can be discussed one by one. Okay, please all of you take the page number 70. How is phosphorus trichloride prepared? Phosphorus trichloride and pentachloride. The formula of phosphorus trichloride is PCl3. How the phosphorus trichloride is prepared? By the reaction between white phosphorus and chlorine. There is a slow stream of chlorine. The phosphorus combines with the chlorine. We get phosphorus trichloride. The formula of phosphorus trichloride is PCl3. How can we write the equation? White phosphorus, that is P4 plus Cl2 gives PCl3. How can you balance the equation? Here 4 chlorine having, so make it 4 PCl3. How much chlorine is there? 4 3s are 12 chlorine, so make it 6 Cl2. Now the equation is balanced. This is one equation. Next, about the other equation, phosphorus trichloride is prepared by the reaction between white phosphorus with thionyl chloride. White phosphorus with thionyl chloride. What is the formula of thionyl chloride? That is SOCl2. SOCl2. This is about the thionyl chloride. One of the new compounds. Please learn thoroughly. Thionyl, SOCl2, thionyl chloride. Phosphorus, we can write the equation P4 plus SOCl2, that is about the thionyl chloride. We get phosphorus trichloride, that is phosphorus combines with the chlorine to form phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, plus sulfur combines with oxygen, we get sulfur dioxide, plus sulfur combines with chlorine, we get one of the new compound S2Cl2. S2Cl2, disulfur dichloride. What's the name of the compound? Disulfur dichloride. So today we learn about the two important one of the compounds. One is about that thionyl chloride and also disulfur dichloride. How can you balance the equation? How much phosphorus? Phosphorus is one of the polyatom, am I right? So P4. The reactant side make it also phosphorus, that is about the 4 PCl3. Phosphorus balance. What about the chlorine? Here S2Cl2. If it make it 2 here means 2S2Cl2. So how much chlorine, total chlorine is there? 2 2s are 4. Here 4 3s are 12. So 16 chlorine. So make it reactant side thionyl chloride 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Now chlorine is balanced. Next about the sulfur. Here having 8 sulfur. So already 2 into 2 is 4 over. The remaining is 4. So make it 4s2, 4 sulfur dioxide. Now the equation is balanced. Next about what are the properties of phosphorus trichloride? What are the properties of phosphorus trichloride? Already we learned that the phosphorus trichloride, the formula is PCl3. This PCl3 reacts with the water that we are taking, cold water, we get phosphorus acid. Phosphorus. What is the formula of phosphorus acid? H3PO3. H3PO3. Anyhow, we can write the equation PCl3, that is about the phosphorus trichloride. This one reacts with the water, we can be written as H2O, gives this hydrogen combines with the phosphorus and oxygen, we get H3PO3 plus the hydrogen combines with the chlorine, we get HCl. What's the name of the compound H3PO3? Phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. So, in the reactant side, how much chlorine is there? 3 chlorine. So, make it the product side. 3 chlorine, that is 3 HCl. Okay. Next about product side, how much hydrogen is there? 3 plus 3, 6. So, make it the reactant side 3 water molecules. Now, the equation is balanced. This is the overall reactions of, try to understand the concept. This is the overall reactions of phosphorus trichloride with water, or otherwise we can be say phosphorus trichloride undergoes hydrolysis. We get phosphorus acid and also water. Sorry, and also hydrochloric acid. Next, we have to write how the reaction is going on. How the reaction is going on. Because this reaction having 3 steps of reaction. How much steps of reaction? 3 steps of reaction. First, the phosphorus trichloride reacts with 1 molecule of water molecule. Okay. We get one of the coordinated water molecules, that is this phosphorus atoms coordinated with the water molecules by using a vacant d orbitals. Okay, vacant d orbitals. Anyhow, how the hydrolysis is going on? All of you know about the vacant, about the d orbitals. That is what is the atomic number of phosphorus? Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Am I right? So electronic configuration. Can you see the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay. So you have to write the equation. Phosphorus trichloride reacts with first molecule of water. That is first molecule of water H2O. We get one of the hydrated product of phosphorus trichloride. Hydrated product. That is, hydrate means, don't forget, that is a water. So, the phosphorus trichloride having 1 water molecule. So, when we are writing the equation, make it on dot, okay? Take the plus, okay? Take the plus and make it on dot there. So, we can be written as PCl3 dot H2O. That is about that hydrated product of water, okay, with phosphorus trichloride. Anyhow, again the reaction is going on. We get one of the compound called POH, make it a bracket OH, Cl2 plus hydrochloric acid. How the reaction is going on? the water molecules having H2, here one of the hydrogen combines with one of the Cl, H plus Cl, all of you know that one, hydrochloric acid, HCl. So hydrochloric acid I will write there. Next, what are the remaining product? That is PCl2OH, am I right? Otherwise we can be right POHCl2. Okay, here leaving one of the hydrogen, where hydrogen combines the chlorine to form HCl. So what's the remaining product? PCl2OH. Okay, PCl2OH, otherwise POHCl2. This is the first reaction. Can you say what is the name of the compound? Phosphoryl chloride. Phosphoryl, PHO, SPHORYL, phosphoryl chloride. Okay, next, this product reacts with water. Again, second water molecules. That means the previous first equation we have 3 water molecules. One water molecule reacts with the PCl3. So the second water molecules again reacts with the phosphoryl chloride. So we get one of another compound, one of another phosphorus compound. This POHCl2, otherwise PCl2OH can be written as HPOCl2. Can you write? HPOCl2. That's the same product, okay? Don't confuse that one. Phosphoryl chloride. Name of the compound is phosphoryl chloride. This one reacts with the second water molecule. That is about the H2O. We get H2PO2Cl. What is the compound here? H2PO2Cl. Here, how the reaction is going on? One of the hydrogen combines with Cl to form HCl. So one more product is HCl. Next, this phosphorus compounds again reacts with third water molecules. So here water molecules H combines with the Cl, HCl. What's the remaining product? So we can be written as H2PHPO3. How can you write? H2PHO3. Otherwise we can be written as H3PO3. H3PO3 plus HCl. Okay, what is H3PO3? Phosphorus acid. Okay, now we get the phosphorus acid product. I'm right. So next, one of the important point, we have to write the overall reaction. I wrote the 3 equations there. One is the phosphorus trichloride reacts with 1 molecule of water. Phosphorus, that is one of what, that phosphoryl chloride and reacts with another 1 molecule of water. Then another one phosphorus compounds reacts with the third water molecules. So we have the 3 equations. So which are the possibility for cancelling? That is one of the important. So the last equation, H3PO2Cl can be cancelled. The second reaction also, the product side, H2PO2Cl. These 2 are the cancelling. Again, we can be cancelled from the first and second reaction. The first reaction, POHCl2 can be cancelled, but the second reaction, reactant side, HPOCl2. These 2 can be cancelled. Am I right? So remaining, what is the remaining overall reaction? First we have to write PCl3 plus how much water molecules having? 1, 2, 3. So 3 H2O gives Then the product side, which are the remaining? H3PO3 plus total how much hydrochloric acid having? 3 hydrochloric acid, so make it 3 HCl. Okay, this is about the overall reaction. The similar reaction is also going on. We are taking one of an alcohols and also one of a carboxylic acid. Here I am taking one of the alcohol is ethanol. Ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH ethanol. Am I right? Ethanol. Otherwise, what is the common name? Ethyl alcohol. Ethanol C2H5OH on reacts with PCl5. What is PCl5? Phosphorus. Sorry, we are not taking PCl5. We are taking PCl3. Okay. Ethyl alcohol reacts with the PCl3. Here, what is happening here means this hydrogen, that is ethyl alcohol OH having hydrogen, this hydrogen combines with the Cl to form hydrochloric acid. Okay, we form, not hydrochloric acid. Here, this ethyl on combines with the Cl to form this ethyl group. This ethyl group on combines with the Cl to form ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. What is the formula of ethyl chloride? C2H5Cl. C2H5Cl. And one of the important point is the hydrogen combines with phosphorus and also combines with oxygen. We get H3PO3. H3PO3. Am I right? So, how can you balance the equation? The reactant side, how much chlorine is there? How much? That is PCl3. How much chlorine? 3 chlorine. So, the product side make it 3 C2H5Cl. So, chlorine is balanced. Now, how much ethyl having? C2H5, how much ethyl having? 3. So, make it the reactant side 3 ethyl alcohol. Now, the reaction is balanced. Next one. One of the carboxylic acid I am taking. Okay. One of the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid means all of you know that one. HCOOH, am I right? HCOOH, CH3COOH, C2H5COOH, am I right? We know that one. Methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. What is the formula of propanoic acid? C2H5COOH, propanoic acid. This one reacts with the PCl3. Here, this chlorine combines with this the CH3CO group. We get C2H5COCl. And one more product. Here, this hydrogen from propanoic acid combines with phosphorus and oxygen, we get H3PO3. H3PO3. So what is our expected product? What is our expected product means? Propanoyl chloride. Propanoyl. PROPIONYL. Propanoyl chloride. Okay. This is our product. So we have to balance the equation. 3 chlorine balance. What about the hydrogen? H3PO, that also balance. So make it 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl is also balanced. Okay. Next, what are the uses of phosphorus trichloride? What are the uses of phosphorus trichloride? Phosphorus trichloride is used as an chlorinating agent, and also it is used for the preparation of phosphorus acid. Phosphorus, what is the formula? H3PO3. Phosphorus trichloride is used as an chlorinating agent and it is used for the preparation of H3PO3. What is about the chlorinating agent? We are using some chloride ions. We are taking some of the chloride ions on reacting. Okay, that is said. Reacts with the chlorine. For what purpose? That means we can be say the chlorinating water that we are saying some of the purification. Okay, that it can be destroy some unwanted disease. It is prevented some diseases like cholera. We can be say about the dysentery and also about that typhoid. These are one of the some of the diseases. So we can be what purification. We can be destroy the unwanted bacteria, germs like that. So they are using chlorinized water. Okay. Next about the structure of phosphorus trichloride. The structure of phosphorus trichloride. All of you know that one. The atomic number of phosphorus is 15. The first shell we can be accommodate 2 electron. The second shell we can be accommodate 8 electrons. The third shell we can be accommodate the remaining 5 electron. So the valence electron for phosphorus is 5. Am I right? Next about chlorine. What is the atomic number of chlorine? The atomic number of chlorine is 17. The first shell we can be accommodate 2 electron. The second shell we can be accommodate 8 electron. The third shell we can be accommodate remaining 7 electrons. Am I right? So here having phosphorus chlorine one bond, phosphorus chlorine other one bond, phosphorus chlorine other one bond. That means PCl3 one phosphorus atom, 3 chlorine atom. Am I right? So they are having one bond. Anyhow, here you have to write the bond angle and about the bond length. That's all enough. So the 2 chlorine bond angle is about the 100 degree. And about the bond length of phosphorus and chlorine means 204 pm picometer. Okay. Here phosphorus shared 3 electrons to the chlorine. Again phosphorus having 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay. That is 2 extra electrons. Am I right? As I mentioned here like that. Okay. This is about the structure of phosphorus trichloride. Next about phosphorus pentachloride. Penta means all of you know that one. That is a penta means 5. Am I right? 3 means tri. Penta means 5. So how can you prepare the phosphorus pentachloride? First we have to take phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride. This phosphorus trichloride on reacts with the Cl2 chlorine. That is we are adding excess of chlorine. We get phosphorus pentachloride. One of the very important question. Here the phosphorus pentachloride undergoes a decomposition with the heating. On heating, it undergoes decomposition. We get phosphorus trichloride and also we get chlorine. That is, we can be write the equation. Phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 gives PCl3 plus Cl2. These are all in, everyone is the gaseous state. Okay. Next, one of the important reaction. What happens? Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with water molecule. Water. First we have to write PCl5. This PCl5 on reacts with water, H2O, reacts with water, we get POCl3, that is phosphorus combines with oxygen, we get POCl3. Okay, POCl3 plus one of hydrogen combines with the chlorine, we get HCl. So you have to balance the equation. The product side, PCl5, 5 chlorine atom is there, so make it 3 and also make it 2 there. Now the equation is balanced. Next is POCl3 on reacts with water molecules, that is H2O gives H3PO4 plus the hydrogen combines the chlorine, we get hydrochloric acid. What is H3PO4? Now only we learn about the H3PO3, phosphorus acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Am I right? So how to balance the equation? Reactant side 3 chlorine, product side make it 3 HCl. Then how much hydrogen is there in the product side? 3 plus 3, 6. So the product side make it 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Now the equation is balanced. How can you write the overall reaction? Overall reaction. First you have to cancel it. Which are the possibilities of cancelling? Okay. That is POCl3 and first equation POCl3 can be cancelled. Okay. There is no other possible for cancelling. Next, the remaining, we have to write the overall reaction. PCl5 plus, how much water molecule is there? Here I have 3. Okay, now the equation balance, am I right? Okay, 3. Here also one water molecules, we get 4 water molecules. PCl3 plus 4 water molecules gives H3PO4, phosphoric acid. So how much hydrochloric acid is there? 3 plus 2, 5. So 5. Now the equation is completed. Okay. So we wrote about the overall reactions. Next, one of the important point. What happens? Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with the metal. What happens? Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with the metal. We are taking 2 metal. One is about that silver and other one is about the tin. 2 metal I am taking. And also one of the important point. What happens? Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with ethyl alcohol. And what happens? PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, reacts with propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. We have to write the equation. Okay, we have to write the equation. First I am taking the silver metal. Okay, I am told you that 2 metals I am taking. Silver and tin. I am taking silver. What is the symbol of silver? Ag, and Ag on reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. Here the Ag, that is silver, combines with the Cl to form AgCl, and also we get phosphorus trichloride, PCl3. So we have to balance the equation. How much chlorine is there in the product side? Here having 4, the reactant side 5. So make it 5. So make it the product side 2AgCl. Now chlorine is balanced. So how much silver is there? 2. So make it 2. Now this equation is balanced. Next about, I'm taking tin metal, that is Sn. This Sn reacts with the PCl5. We get SnCl4 plus this phosphorus combines with the chlorine to form phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride. How can you balance the equation? SnCl4 and also here having PCl3. So how can we easily balance the equation? So make it 2 here. 2 PCl3. Okay. So 6 plus 4, 10. So if you are making the reactant side 2 means 2 PCl5 means now the equation is balanced. Next about, we can be write how the phosphorus pentachloride reacts with ethyl alcohol and also propanoic acid. What is the formula of ethyl alcohol? C2H5OH. C2H5OH. This one reacts with PCl5. Here what is happening here means one of the hydrogen from ethyl alcohol reacts with PCl5. One of the hydrogen plus Cl gives HCl and one of the ethyl plus Cl gives C2H5Cl. And also the remaining is this oxygen is attached in between phosphorus and chlorine atom. So what is the product is obtained? POCl3. Next one, we can be taken as a propanoic acid. Propanoic, what is the formula? C2H5COOH. Propanoic acid on reacts with the PCl5. Anybody remember about the methanoic acid formula? HCOOH, methanoic. Ethanoic acid formula? CH3COOH. Okay, like that. Propanoic acid, C2H5COOH, propanoic acid. Then this one reacts with the PCl5. Here, one of the hydrogen from propanoic acid reacts with the Cl to form HCl, and the phosphorus combines with one of the oxygen and 3 chlorine atom, we get POCl3, and the remaining this chlorine atoms on reacts with here to form C2H5COCl, propanyl chloride. Propanyl, PROPIONYL, propanyl chloride. Now to balance the equation. So 5 chlorine atom, so make it the product side 5. 5 means POCl3 3 over 4 over 5 over. Now the equation is balanced. Next about what are the uses of phosphorus pentachloride? What are the uses of phosphorus pentachloride? Previously I told you that it is used as a chlorinating agent and also it is used to replacing hydroxyl group by chlorine atom. It can be replace hydroxyl group by chlorine atom. Here what is the formula of propanoic acid? C2H5COH. Am I right? Here we can be remove this OH. Removing this OH and adding one of the chlorine. That's the concept. First you have to remove the OH and adding one chlorine. So what is the formula? C2H5COCl. Propanyl chloride. Next we can be discuss about that. Structure of oxides and oxo acids of phosphorus. Structure of oxides and oxo acids of phosphorus. Here phosphorus is obtained as a phosphorus trioxide, phosphorus tetroxide, phosphorus pentoxide. All of you know that one trioxide formula and tetroxide and about the phosphorus pentoxide. Here in phosphorus trioxide, 4 phosphorus atoms lie at the corner. Only 4 phosphorus atoms lie at the corner of tetrahedron. And we are taking 6 oxygen atoms along at the edges. Okay, first I am drawing the diagram. First I am starting from phosphorus. One of the 6-membered ring like that. First you have to draw like 6-membered ring. Phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, join with the phosphorus. Next here, from the phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, join there. Then above, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus. This is the structure of P4. P4O6. Here, what is about that? Phosphorus trioxide. 4 phosphorus atoms lie at the corner. How much phosphorus atom is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phosphorus atoms lie at the corners of the tetrahedron and about 6 oxygen atom. How much oxygen atom is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen atom along at the edge. You have to write the phosphorus oxygen bond distance. What is about the phosphorus oxygen bond distance is 165.6 pm. Okay, that's a picometer. Okay, anyhow, which is shorter than this values, it is shorter than single bond distance of phosphorus oxygen. That is about the value also given like that, 184 pm. Okay, why what is happening here means due to the p pi and d pi bonding as the result of considerable double bond character, one of the double bond character. Structure of P4O10. P4O10. Here, phosphorus atom forms a 3 bonds to oxygen atom, and also an additional coordinate bond with the oxygen atom. Here we have to learn about the phosphorus. How much phosphorus is there? 4 phosphorus. Here each phosphorus atom forms a 3 bonds to oxygen atoms and also as an additional coordinate bond with the oxygen atom. You have to draw the structure. First I am drawing with one of the phosphorus atom, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen. So second, from the below phosphorus here having joined with oxygen, phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus. Now the edges can be joining. Next, phosphorus having oxygen atom. First, the left side, first oxygen atom, P double bond O. Next, this phosphorus I am joined with one of the oxygen atom. Next, P double bond O. Next phosphorus in the upside, P double bond O. Okay. Now, we have to write the bond length, phosphorus oxygen bond length. That is about that. Phosphorus oxygen bond length is about that 143 pm, picometer, 143 pm. Here, this value says 143 is very less as we are comparing the single bond distance. They expected the single bond distance. This may be explained. The lateral overlap filled p orbital of an oxygen atom with empty d orbital of and phosphorus, empty d orbital of phosphorus. So today we learn a very important area about that. Phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride. Here the reaction, physical properties, chemical properties, and about the uses of phosphorus trichloride and about the phosphorus pentachloride. From the tomorrow class we can be discuss about that oxo acids of phosphorus structure and about that oxo acids of phosphorus preparation. Okay, so I'm giving the assignment. The first question, from thionyl chloride, SOCl2, how will you prepare phosphorus trichloride? From thionyl chloride, how will you prepare phosphorus trichloride? Second question, what happens alcohols and carboxylic acid? reacts with PCl3 and PCl. What happens? Alcohols reacts with PCl3. And one more question. What happens? Carboxylic acid reacts with PCl3. Next about, draw the structure of phosphorus trichloride. Draw the structure of phosphorus trichloride. Okay, the remaining portion, oxo acids of phosphorus structure, oxo acids of phosphorus preparation. This also you have to learn thoroughly from the next class, okay? So today you have to learn this area, preparation of phosphorus trichloride. That is about that from thionyl chloride. Then some reactions of phosphorus trichloride with ethyl alcohol and also carboxylic acid. Okay. And also one more point, structure of phosphorus trichloride. Thank you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.